Welcome to the in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and scroll down to the system section. Now tap here to advanced and we'll see here the developer options if they are activated. Just to hide them, we should click here only once on the switcher, and now we can see that all of the options they are blocked. And when we'll go back to the system section, we can see that the developer options automatically this section is gone. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.